In this video, I will guide you on how to increase time of always on display on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Basically, you should be able to fix the 10 seconds always on display issue. Also, keep in mind that this tutorial will work for the Redmi Note 15 Pro and the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G as well. So from the home of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to head over to the settings and then tap on the about option at the top. Over here, you're going to see the OS version. Go ahead and continuously tap on this until you are turned into a developer. If you have a password, pin or pattern, you'll be required to enter that as well. And now once you're a developer, you want to come out of this option, scroll all the way down to the additional settings from over here, and then scroll down again, and you're going to be able to find the developer options. Go ahead and tap on that. At this point, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of this list of settings and then scroll up carefully, and you should be able to find the reset to default values option. Go ahead and continuously tap on this until you see that turn on system optimization is turned on. What you want to do is to basically turn this off just like so, and then allow the countdown to finish. Then you want to click on accept. And at this point, if you lock your Redmi Note 15 Pro or your Redmi Note 15, you're going to find out that the always on display is going to have an infinite time on your display. So it is just going to be here for a very long time. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.